Back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix Fall Guys error code 200/1040. How to fix Fall Guys Epic Games account error 2023. So to do this error, we will go to Cmd and we have to give some commands to it. We'll click on this command prompt, and here we have to give Cmd some commands. So I will give this commands to you in the comment section. So the first command is ipconfig/flushdns. I will copy this command. So you will copy this command ipconfig/flushdns and paste this command in here. We'll and then enter. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now we will we will type another command in here. Now we will and enter. Now we will give him the third command, which is ipconfig/register, ipconfig/relase. Enter. Now after this we will give them another command, which is the last command, ipconfig/renew, to fix this error. Now I will give him the last command. Now enter. Now after this we will give him the last command, netsh winsock reset. So I will give him the last command, which is this solution has been done. Now we will move to our second solution. We'll go to our control panel. Now we will go to our network and machinery center. We'll go to change adapter settings. Now we'll go to our properties. In here, we first will have to do is to uncheck the Internet Protocol version 6. Now after we have to click on Internet Protocol version 4. And here we will use the following DNS server address. Now we will have to click 8888. Now in here we have to click 8844. Now we will have to click validate settings on exit. Now we have to click OK. We'll close the troubleshooter. So these were the two steps to fix the error. Now the third step is to go to your Epic Games account and go to the Fall Guys games, and there you will see three dots. Click on three dots and click on verify the files. After verifying your files, this game error will be solved and you can play your Fall Guys Epic Games easily. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next video. तब तक अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय।